Hit recording. Okay. So I guess we're good.
Yep.
Should probably close my door.
Doesn't accept as a work or something you didn't do. It's no the slightest bit simple. What firing? I never care what I mean. Eating cookie. Right.
I know this is a trap.
House lights?
Well, hello, Mr. President! So kind of you to accept my invitation.
Dr. Nefarious. I was wondering when you'd be showing up. Is that your new space station? Looks a little smaller than the last one.
Oh, you're hysterical. Let's see you crack jokes from inside the digestive tract of a suckeroon!
Ow!
Oh, goody. I get to...
Love Lawrence.
Oh, nice spike.
Yeah, I got me a few too.
Oh God!
Help me, Lawrence!
Apologies, sir. I think it's time to tender my resignation.
He's not like, nope.
I'm out of here. Okay. Let's do this.
Ready to take on the Zagroot again? Jason. Oh, we did just fine.
Yeah, I died like 1,000 times.
You had me. Do we still have our bolts?
Probably not.
Let's see.
Hey, over here!
Nice job, Quark. Someone you don't know invites you to receive an award you didn't earn and you just believe it?
For your information,
Oh,
I've
yeah, you
accepted
do.
Hundreds of awards I did
I know.
not, and only twice have I ever been attacked.
Hit
by a
R2
Zagroot.
or L2.
Over here, cadets.
Oh.
Yeah.
What about you, Soundbreaker?
Here goes your
Or is this your first time playing it?
A few billion volts more!
Oh, I still got my gun.
New space station!
Yeah, you should still have all your stuff. Apparently, I don't think we leveled up.
I'm over here.
I don't think we have any guns yet.
I'm Kip Darling,
I guess this is our version of New Game Plus.
And we're coming to you live from...
No, not really.
Where Dr. Nefarious has just released a light-eating Zagroot.
New Game Plus would be every single weapon. We don't have every single weapon. I'm not even going to use the weapons until we get them.
Worst time. Currently, the entire Polaris Defense Force is off on a field trip to the single and hating its speed dating
Hold up.
convention
Hold up.
in
Oh.
Meridian City.
How are you?
Well, let's hope they find love, Pepper. And now, back to the Molly.
Don't worry, you'll respawn. You'll respawn. There you go. Here, let's Soundbreaker get some bolts.
Okay.
Thank you.
There's some over here. I got
The
him.
depravity of this creature knows no bounds, folks. He just destroyed Rusty Pete's healthy hamburger shack. Its vegan wheatgrass and tree bark burger was a favorite of hipsters everywhere.
Okay. You played Ratchet and Clank before, right, Soundbreaker?
Oh yeah, he's a big
yeah.
fan.
You know how these work, right?
Yep.
Trust me, I've known him long enough to know that, yeah, he's a big fan.
Alright, Jason, don't touch those. Back up. Back up. Back up. Just touch him.
Okay.
Just touch him and move back. You are an ugly thing.
Ugly mofo.
Luminoids.
And now for
I actually just started playing. I actually just started playing Unreal Arsenal.
I just finished. I just beat it.
I
I literally got Nefarious my first try. You want to know how sweaty my hands were?
What difficulty were you on?
There's no difficulty change on it.
What?
I just know he's he's very hard.
Hey, Soundbreaker, remember a long time ago that we actually tried to make a roleplay series that involved Ratchet and Clank, but except it was in Kingdom Hearts?
Yeah, I don't know
Oh,
what
God.
I don't know what's going on with that.
I thought it was a pretty good idea. Axel and Kai.
I don't think Ratchet would be worthy.
Of a Keyblade?
I got this.
No. I think the only one that would be is Clank.
That was actually pretty good.
Yeah, if Deadpool decided to join, we could have gotten
Come on, we gotta catch up.
All right, you two need nanotech.
We could have gotten a full party.
Oh yeah, we could have. But you know what? It's all right. You two need nanotech.
Yes.
Over here, cadets.
Over here!
I'll teach you to assault my fair city. Come on, team. We're
Have you played this Soundbreaker?
I felt like a demo back with the.
Oh.
It looks like our heroes have commandeered an air.
Me and my brothers always played this. We never played as Quark. I always played as Nefarious.
Uh-oh, Mayday, we're going down!
No, we're not. No, we're not.
The steering's out.
Right.
Shift your weight. It'll bend the gravity.
Good job, everyone. Left. Good job, everybody. To the right.
Time to mention this, but
Right.
I haven't driven in a while.
Why am I doing this? I'm supposed to be the president!
Watch out for the air cars.
This is the seventh massive creature
Right.
is helped unleash upon a major city since its inauguration.
Nate, move.
Left!
This way. There you go.
He's destroying the city.
God, why? No!
I see him. Come on, we're close.
Hey, over here!
Oh god.
Oh, Quark's in the front.
Now that was a close one. This might be a good time to mention our sponsor, Proton Pulse. Don't settle for a boring afterlife. Spend eternity spinning in your grave. Thanks to Proton Pulse Zero-G coffins.
All right, you guys get one. One gets one.
Yeah, hold on.
Yes.
Yeah. Isn't there another one?
Yeah, I don't think so,
I'll get
no.
this first one.
And there's the
Interesting
minions.
development. It appears
Minions!
that strange
Assemble the
unidentified
minions!
robots have teleported into city
Rainer
limits.
minion.
I'm no expert, but they don't appear to belong
Shoot
to
'em!
Dr. Nefarious.
One could only surmise that these robots
I don't
have
think I have
chosen
a
to
gun.
take advantage of
I
our
You'll get one. You'll get one.
You'll
and
get one.
invade our city.
I'd bet, and if I were you, I'd use the combustor more than anything.
Oh yeah, we still need to tell Nightmare Baby about that one joke.
I forgot to be completely honest.
I know.
Looks like our hero.
Greetings, citizens, and thank you for
Holy
taking part in
crap! Look at how much
Friendship
bolts I
Through
have.
Firepower. Are you
What?
ready to
Oh.
get certified? Since this is just a recording, I'll assume you said.
There's nothing available. The only one that's available is the combustor. For you, Soundbreaker. It's all the way at the back, and it's free. Oh, you already got it.
I already got it.
All right. Okay, yeah. The next vendor you'll get will be the grenade launcher.
This automated training program will teach you how to use your new combustor.
Finally.
Start by
Soundbreaker will finally be
unholstering
able to
your
defend himself.
Okay, safety precautions.
Well, majority of them you can easily just do this with the smaller enemies. It's just with the bigger enemies.
Fire!
I'm over here.
Was my superiority ever in question?
Impressive shooting, citizens. You mastered the same technique I employed when I vanquished Dr. Nefarious.
Oh, don't fall off the edge.
I'm having a hard time listening to myself. One thing that surprised me when I first became a hero was how
Again,
much people
why is the
don't
president
like
holding
it.
a gun?
If your target refuses
It's
to stand
Quark.
still, try locking onto them with
Touche.
your weapon.
You forget, Quark's a fraud, too.
He's like Hercule Satan from Dragon Ball.
How he became president, I don't know.
Alright, here's the fun part, Soundbreaker.
Resistance from time to time. Try firing your combustion
Oh, yeah.
at once to deliver a
Yeah, the whole
supercharged
Oh,
blast
oh.
of power.
Here, get this one. Alright, now lock onto the next one. How fast will this go?
Finished.
You are now certified to carry a weapon inside city limits. Thank you for your participation in the Friends Through Firepower Initiative.
Have a truly awesome day.
Oh, ammo pads.
Yeah, my face is in the perfect scenario. My face is in the perfect place.
Okay. Oh, shoot him!
More ammo.
Hey,
Okay,
nanotech.
now we actually got a...
Yes.
Okay, now we actually got
The
a
Zagroot
big
has just
opponent that you gotta
been
use your
sighted
guns
making its
on.
way towards the
Use the
Lunar
combustor,
power
Jason.
plant,
Alright.
and it looks like the unidentified
For bigger
robots
areas,
are
use the
following.
grenade
They
launcher.
must be
It's like RPG games.
Yeah,
Chip,
except I don't hack and slash.
enough from under your desk.
I follow the truth wherever it leads, Pepper.
You can dodge. There you go. Soundbreaker gets it.
Looks like our heroes have
do you
acquired
dodge?
some new firepower. Do you think they'll be able to ambush the Zagroot?
Yeah, the first time I tried this with Jason, all Jason did was stand in one
It's
spot.
the deception and surprise
I don't wanna talk about it.
to any successful offensive.
Alright, bolt grabber.
Oh, okay. I thought that was
Give it to Soundbreaker. Give it to Soundbreaker.
Give it to Soundbreaker. Okay.
Yeah. So Soundbreaker, when you get those, just go towards a box. Just go towards it. Don't even hit him. Don't hit him. Just walk towards him. There you go. Anyone need nanotech? Oh, never mind. They're all gone. Alright, ready? Go fast now. I need ammo. I need ammo. Jason, get back.
Oh, I'm actually gonna die.
Stuff to kill stuff.
Jason, remember, you can dodge.
I don't know how to dodge.
Jump.
Oh,
X.
I thought
Move around and press X. I thought you played Ratchet and Clank enough to know what that does.
it's been a good hot minute.
Good hot minute, and you just played up your arsenal.
I mean, it was.
Up your arsenal has a great strafe system.
This is worse than trying to drive the Honda Odyssey.
I'm ready.
Let's take this moment to check in with Born Garblak about the mysterious robots tracking the Zagroot. Minister Garblak, any ideas as to who owns these robots?
Point. Sweet. Oh, did you fall over the edge?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, Minister Garblak.
Don't touch. There we go.
That is good. Actually, that's still. I don't know. I don't know if we already. How the heck did Quark become president?
And now for something
I have no
truly
idea.
That's a good question that I don't have an answer to.
Yeah.
Oh, this is actually
No
perfect.
one's going to call up in a lab except
What was that, Soundbreaker?
knowing him, he probably
Yeah, probably.
Oh, and you'll never guess who vice president is.
We got ammo here.
It's the monkey.
Nanotech.
Oh.
That's the stuff.
Alright, let's get this one.
Whose idea was it to make the monkey the vice president?
To be fair, Scrunch is smarter than Quark. To be completely fair, Scrunch is smarter than Quark.
Free ammo.
Hang on, there's someone calling me. Give me a second.
Oh God!
Come this way, come this way, come this way.
Hold it.
There's bolts.
Oh, someone's
Alright,
calling.
you guys can have some. Oh, go. You need to take a phone call?
I think someone's calling me. Give me a second.
Okay, go take your phone call.
Okay. We'll be right back.
I'm over here.
Hey, over here!
Bob? Hey, calling me?
No monkeying around.
No, I don't know.
Imagine if that's actually an achievement in this game.
Again, like.
Hey, from me!
Hello.
Hey, over here!
Damn, look at all the bolts I got.
Hey guys, I'm back. Hey guys, I'm back.
Alright, you're back? Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Where'd he go?
Where were we?
Let's see, where'd Jason go?
I'm right here. Okay.
Alright.
Space station!
Hang on, guys.
How the heck-
Let go of triangle.
Again, how is the Ferris able to carry the two of us?
It can carry all four of us.
I know, like, I mean, it's just the fact that I'm probably heavy.
Yeah, and you got a Lombax and 2 robots. Alright, let's fight the Zagroot again.
And the fight is on.
Oh,
Alright, use your combustors.
As perhaps the strangest team in Polaris history works to defeat the deadly lightning.
Reminder, tonight's battle to the death is
Oh God!
Big Al Robo's back in Daily Superstore, owning new
Ow!
death.
Ow! My butt!
Oh, watch the glowies.
Nice.
Alright. Focus on the generator.
I might be
Soundbreaker.
mistaken, but I believe destroying those generators would prevent the Zagroot from healing so.
Alright, now get ready to run for dear life.
Run! 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 How do I sprint again?
Has been a lot.
Hold, press R3.
Still taking count, but it appears that we're looking
Hit the left bumper.
property damage.
Oh.
A
like
city
like-
in shambles, a galaxy in
The analog
and a
stick.
lavish Meridian City retreat forged from expensive raritanium. All this begs the question: has the galaxy had enough of Copernicus quark?
Oh, Soundbreaker's in the front. Oh God!
Oh God!
That's a huge boy. That's a huge
The
thing.
Zagroot is back, and boy, does he look
Oh god!
can barely watch
I don't want to die like
the
this!
monster is breaking through everything in its path with bloodthirsty resolve. It's like watching some elderly cat lady on Black Friday as she claws her way mercilessly toward the last pair of self-cleaning stunterwear.
Our heroes may be in real trouble. This group does not seem to be giving up.
Oh, ammo. Oh,
Look!
weapon
the Defense
vendor.
Force installed fusion turrets on top of Zog Tower.
It looks like the heroes are attempting to use the fusion turrets on top of
All right.
Zog Tower.
You ready for...
We'll remember, former Minister of Defense Artemis Zog had them installed in the event of an attack by...
There you go. All right.
The GrummelNet Arc Lasher is the most advanced kinetic energy
Oh.
whip on the market. A single flick
It's
of the whip
Squidward.
stuns your enemies into submission.
Are you seeing the brand new weapon, Jason?
Yeah, I'm seeing it.
Will let out a blast
Arc
of energy
Lasher.
that stuns
Yeah.
nearby foes.
Kind of the old dude. Kind of pumping up there.
Not enough for it. Let's do it.
Ah, what?
Oh. I might have leveled up. That's probably why.
Ah, what?
It's a level up.
Did you get the, Okay, you got the long... Okay.
Did you? Okay, at least.
Ooh! Can you... I think I can upgrade. Go to your combustor. See if you
Okay.
can upgrade.
How do I?
Just go to the combustor.
Yeah, I'm looking. I'm at my combustor.
Do you see any upgrades?
I don't think so. No,
Okay, then never mind.
No, nothing on mine.
not on my screen. No.
I guess you must level up.
Well, yippee for you. Oh, nanotech. Ah! Soundbreaker just fell.
I think it's safe to say this is a group...
Oh, jeez.
Here, just let the Groot take him out.
Come over here.
Alright, let's take out that Zagroot. Watch out for the glowy!
Ah! My butt! My butt!
This is hard to watch.
Oh.
I haven't seen President Quark take a beat
Ow,
like
I'm
this
dead!
since he challenged that 7-year-old to a spelling bee.
You challenged a 7-year-old to a spelling bee?
Wait, who said that?
Pepper Fairbanks, the reporter that's reporting this now.
I'm in a bit of trouble here. Younger viewers may want to leave the room for this. Ratchet appears to be in a bit of trouble.
Come on, you're almost dead.
Ah!
I'm out.
Oh, you're out of ammo.
Got ammo here.
You're welcome.
Free ammo.
Here, bolts over here.
I'm over here. Ready.
Let's do this.
The Zagroot's taken a beating, but it's not ready to quit just yet.
Uh-oh,
Let's hope
he's
it
mad.
can find another power source before our heroes can get
Oh,
their final
Soundbreaker. For big enemies,
Our
preferably
station
use the
manager, Heidi, has
combustor.
just pointed out that a new humanoid generator
Until you get
has
the
been installed
warmonger.
on that building.
Well,
What's
that
the
certainly
warmonger?
complicates things.
A rocket launcher.
Big rocket love jab.
Oh God.
You should be able to unlock it after you get the Arc Lasher.
Oh no, this is not good.
No, I don't want to go through the pipes.
Alright, yeah, for these guys, use the Plasma Caster Sword. But for bigger enemies, use the...
Bring it on, pansies. You, enemy.
Okay, screw this. Combustor.
Yeah, probably for the best.
No, just wait. Okay, you see those scouts? Use the combustor on the scouts. There's nanotech over here, Soundbreaker. Oh, I think it despawned.
Ah, I'm dead.
Alright.
This is it, folks. The culmination of a citywide pursuit between the heroes
Jason?
of Polaris and a light-eating Zagroot. Can they survive a battle to the death with one of the galaxy's most dangerous predators?
According to our
All right.
article, the answer is
Focus on one.
they cannot.
Now to the offense.
Alright, get the Zagroot! Shoot him! Shoot him! Shoot him! Alright, get its hands. There you go.
So long, Groot.
And the Zagroot is down for the count. Absolutely incredible. We'll be right back after this word from our sponsor.
Yes!
Really?
How do we do? I got the Bolt Master.
Do-gooder, vanquisher of evil.
Noob.
Noob most deaths.
Yeah, that's what I got. First time.
Well, it's been a lot of fun catching up, but I got about
Not so fast, Nefarious.
How'd you change so fast?
You've done some underhanded
I have no
things
idea.
tonight, but this beats all. I'm starting to think there may not even be an intergalactic tool of justice award.
Ladies and gentlemen, your president.
That's not one of mine.
That's not one of mine. Title card.
Woo!
All right, let's actually do chapter 2 this time, Jason.
Okay. I got
I got 29 minutes.
I got 27 minutes.
I'll stream this as long as I need to. I love this game.
Clank, get the light, would you? Huh? Oh boy. Clank, where are we?
I do not know. Have you located Quark?
Help here, someone! I think my thing is broken.
We'll help here, guys.
Oh, perfect. Can this get any worse?
Love me. I'll be like you used to before you became a flesh-eating zombie.
Quark, would you?
You twit! You dare lay your squishy hands on
He
me?
really needs to get that
Get
looked
down
at.
from here, I'll rip you in half.
Excuse me? What you doing up there?
Hey, hey, little girl. Can you get us out of here?
Aye, aye, Lumbax. We should go before she finds out you're here. Come on, head through the Sector 7 air vent, and we'll rendezvous on the south side. A galactic scout never leaves before her mission is complete.
I'm ready.
Ready.
A few billion volts more, and I'll have a new space station.
Vault grabber's all yours. Dude!
Ow, I keep forgetting, okay? Give me a break.
Ready?
Let's roll.
Organic life forms detected. Reroute to creature pen for probing and experimentation.
Probing? Whoa, wait, no, we're not test subjects, we're, new trainees?
Very well. Rerouting to training lab for gadget certification.
Probing?
What?
You guys were gonna get probed. I know what those are.
How's my fist taste?
Rotten bananas have been discovered under the air purification filter. Dispatching cleaner bots.
Sounds like that girl's a little saboteur.
Okay.
Okay.
Follow suit. There you go.
I don't even know where I was going half the time.
Excellent work. You will make fine minions.
Oh, we got stars.
Over here! You guys are pretty smart. She thinks you're one of them.
Bolts.
An interloper has been located in the Sector 2 training lab.
Aw, man. That's my cue. Head through the lab to the equipment room. I left you a present on the charging station.
What about you?
The minions are onto me. I'll lose them in the feeding station and meet you at the south exit.
Bolts!
All right. Be careful. Follow me. Go, let go.
I said relief.
I'm alive!
And he fell down too.
Do you lose bolts every time you die?
No.
Oh, thank God.
Oh, apparently they have these things have names.
Those look like those little mushroom things from Halo, the Flood. They look like the parasites. Do they not?
Yeah.
They look like
I'm greedy. I want money.
All right, Mr. Krabs.
All right.
A letter. And it's written in macaroni. Dear Lombax, these vac-U's will come in handy. Love, Susie.
Ah!
I'm trying. Maybe if I just...
Sorry.
Miserable, stupid, incompetent.
Please, we must all stay calm. We are going to have to work together until we find out where we are and how to get home.
Clank's right. For the sake of our own survival, and for drama, we must set aside our petty squabbles and act as a singular unit.
For now.
Attention, minions.
All right, circle for the vacuum.
Ah, I can't see.
For vacuum operation.
Here.
Initiating tutorial program.
Jason, jump. Jason, jump.
4.
Ah!
Whoa!
Oh, hell no.
What?
You ain't doing that to me.
The incinerator room has been locked down due to excessive messiness. Use your vac-U's to deposit trash into the incinerator.
The poor guy. All right, suck these up and throw them in. Oh, don't hop in there though.
Hop in.
Yeah, you can't pass.
Objective complete. Incinerator room is clean.
I was gonna say, you want to practice pass?
Congratulations, minions.
Stuck on some primitive planet throwing garbage around a factory. I'll be the laughing stock of the
Play my
film
game. What's up?
community if this gets out.
Oh god.
Your vacuums can also be used to suck up crates and bolts.
Use your vacuums.
Objective complete.
So much more efficient.
Work, minions.
Yeah, it is.
Vacuums can interact with any machine.
Oh, this is
equipped in a power
mean.
puncher. Observe the training minions. For
That's so
reference.
mean.
So mean.
Okay, so for something like that, you'll see these knobs. You gotta take one. Don't pull. Just stand there. There you go.
Objective complete. Well done, minions. You are almost ready to go forth and oppress the Tharpods. These creatures have been released
One for
from
each.
their pens. Collect them using your vacuums.
So I'll have to fight over the last one, though. Okay. Suck.
Hey, I caught.
Objective complete.
Ah, he got him.
Excellent work, minions. Your vacuums will store creatures using the Master's patented Zephyr technology.
Oh! Titanium bolts!
Titanium bolts!
They gotta open. We gotta clean the place up first. We gotta clean the place up. Where's the other bomb? Alright, Jason's got it. Alright, there we go. What? Yeah. Give me a second. Alright, each one's based on color. Just use the vacuum.
Shiny.
There you go. They're all in the same area. Just green for Quark, purple for Nefarious, blue for Clank, and orange for Ratchet. You guys are probably not even listening to a word I'm saying.
Oh, I am.
I think Ratchet you look at the gold ball.
Okay.
To hurl fellow
Alright.
minions across
Who wants the
great
honors?
distances.
Alright. Just use the hook shot. There you go.
Attention, minions. You have now been scheduled for anger management class.
We're just sucking everything up.
Alright. Alright, someone's gotta hold that.
Okay, I got it.
Oh, never mind.
Put me down.
Here, does someone want to try it?
I don't know.
Just hold circle. There you go. And then just use triangle. There you go.
Money, 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 money.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Who wants to do a motor toss?
Pop in.
Okay.
You must
Alright, launch me.
really enjoy this.
Kapuya!
It's basically the ground pound, but it's the added power.
Okay.
Oh, here, Jason, try it again.
Your vacuum training is almost complete.
Alright, so once I launch you, hit square. That'll work.
Your vacuums contain a rechargeable nanotech
Oh, yeah.
dispersal unit. This
is how you help with
to
dying.
make fellow minions less dead. Be sure to use your vacuums quickly in order to restore a fellow minion's
Oh,
health.
so that respawn thing's not gonna work anymore?
Oh, only for falling. Only if you fall. So yeah, if somebody dies, you gotta use the vacuum and revive them.
Okay.
And I think everyone gets a turn at death here. Okay.
Little help!
Oh, you do lose bolts!
The doctor is in, and he hates you! Trust me.
Let's do this.
Pop in.
I don't think you need to hold it.
Complete. Well done,
I've never held
minions.
it.
Your
That
training
sucks,
is
you
now
lose
complete.
bolts.
Gold stars for everyone.
Well, thank God you guys got some of my bolts. Oh, hero bolts!
Hero bolts!
Shiny.
Those will unlock skins, so like a snowman or classic outfits.
Congratulations on completing your training. You will now be transported to Sector 12 for celebratory probing.
Probing? Can't we just get some sort of certificate?
Why'd you walk off?
Little trophies to give you for participating. How about a cake?
Hey, Jason, you want to hop in?
Don't you dare! Don't you dare!
A galactic scout never leaves an ally behind.
There you go.
Intruder alert. Intruder alert. All units.
He
converge
has
on
risen,
movements
baby
in
girl.
Sector 3.
Mission complete. Come on, it's time to
Weapon
escape.
collection.
All right, now we got hostile minions. Don't even use your weapons. Just hit them with your melee.
How's my fist taste?
Yeah, skill point. Q-Force Master.
Attention interlopers.
All right.
You have been
Let's try it
found
again, Jason.
impersonating a minion.
All right. Once I launch, you hit square. Got it?
Got it.
Prepare to be executed.
What the
I
hell
hit
was that?
square!
All right.
Where to find?
There you go.
Okay.
All right, here. Try again.
Booyah!
There you go. Critters. Remember, back use.
Hide from me, little squishy.
There you go.
Quit holding up the gang, Corp.
I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it.
I want to talk about it. Oh.
Just jump on this guy.
Or a motor toss. A motor toss will work too.
Design a bad guy.
You must comply with my stand-down order, or I will be forced to take drastic action.
There. Motor toss.
Suffer the wrath
Never mind.
of my crouching kitten style.
Motor toss.
Space station.
There you go. Good job.
Woo!
Incoming minions.
Anyone need some nano?
Remember those gold stars I gave you for gadget certification?
Yes.
Look.
No!
Gold stars. Try putting that.
What does that mean?
We lost our gold stars from gadget certification. Oh. Don't do anything. Don't do anything. Okay. Got it. No. Hold it. Compact. Oh.
Attention interlopers.
Fatality.
What are we losing now?
Certification diplomas now bear the shameful mark of the frowny face.
No!
The agonizing
What?
sting of disapproval.
We got a frowny face.
What does that mean?
It's just the steward just being a bitch. All right, how'd we do?
Oh, wait, that's it? Oh.
Bolts. Who killed the most enemies? Who got the most critters?
What the heck? Okay. Yeah, I'm got to go, guys.
Oh.
Alright,
Here,
is that-
hold up. Let's at least get out.
Okay.
You belong to me now.
Okay, so I can have the critter.
What the heck? I took it! Okay, we got out.
Guys, I don't think we're on Igliak anymore.
Watch this cutscene, then he can leave.
Okay.
So I guess we're done for the day after this.
Probably. I got my footage.
Zephyr, man, it is good to see you guys.
It's good to see you too, kid. How's everything going with NEFA?
I can spell, you morons.
What is this thing?
This doohickey is an Apogee Industries communication pod. We deployed them all around the planet so we can communicate and send supplies.
So you know where we are. That's great. You can come down and rescue me.
I will. Just give me a minute.
Collectively.
Well, no can do, Mr. President. See, we tracked your nav unit to planet Magnus, but someone fell asleep and piloted us into a darn asteroid field.
We're sort of stranded above the stratosphere awaiting rescue. But don't worry, when they get us,
I love Crunk and Zephyr.
In the meantime, we've hacked into an old spy satellite to monitor your positions.
And we've set up a comm link with Gromonet. If you need weapons, just access one of these pods and wire us some bolts. We'll teleport the supplies to the surface.
Find a safe spot and hang tight, rookie. We'll get you off this rock. And you, I'm watching you. Whippersnapper.